Is your pump leaking at the fitting that screws on top of the pump? Let me show you how to fix that. Here's what you'll need for the job. First thing you're going to do is turn your pump off and shut your shutoff valves. If you don't have shutoff valves, you can plug your skimmer and return with plugs. Grab a flathead or a flathead bit for a drill, unscrew your hose clamp, remove your hose by pulling up, and unscrew the fitting. Now grab some plumber's tape, plumber's putty, or silicone. You're going to wrap the threads of that fitting in whatever material you're using. If you use silicone, you're going to have to wait a few hours before you can turn your pump back on to let the silicone dry. Now after wrapping the threads, you're going to screw the fitting back into the pump. After you get it hand tight, you're going to grab some channel locks to snug it up the rest of the way down. Now it's time to put everything back together. After you screw your fitting on, put your hose back in, and then tighten your hose clamp back down where it was at to begin with. After you tighten it, open your shutoff valves and then turn your pump back on to check to see if your leak is fixed. If you use plugs, take your plugs out.